Yeah, you can unmute yourself and speak, though. You can unmute yourself and speak.
Can I go first, or waiting
Yeah,
for someone, doctor?
you can if you want. You can.
Good evening, Dr. Emforex,
Good evening.
and good evening to every amazing people in here.
Yeah.
My name is Sani by name. I'm Sani Side on Instagram. So I, I guess the Zoom call brought my name as SS here.
Yeah.
So I'm Sani Side. I'm, I'm coming from, let's say, Ogun State. I
Oh,
stay in between Lagos and Ogun State at the boundary.
you're welcome. I can see. I
Thanks so
can
much.
see. There has been Sees there FX joining from Port Harcourt. You're welcome. Dorcas joining from Lagos. You're welcome. I can see Dre Walker. You're welcome. I can see Hasim. You're welcome. Who again haven't I mentioned? Tosin, you're also welcome. Yes, quick one. Hasim, I'll mute you now so you don't disturb, okay? So are you also from Lagos? So you're welcome. You're welcome, each and every one of you. All right, so quickly, let me quickly share my screen so that I will show you guys what I have cooking for you. It's hot already, it's on the fire, and in the past, this couple of days, we are going to just make everything cook and present it to you guys. I know 3 days is not enough to even learn what Forex trading is all about, trust me. I've been trading this market for 4 years and I still continuously learn every single day. There are books I've read during my early days, I still read them even till today. Okay, example is the Candlestick Bible. Okay, Tosin from Ibadan, you're welcome. All right, example is the Candlestick Bible. Okay, I still read that book. I've read that book over like 4 times and I'm still fascinating about reading it over and over again. Okay, so the learning never stop. Okay, as a Forex trader, the learning never stop. It's a continuous end of refreshing your memory as often as possible. Okay, that's why this boot camp is actually here. First of all, to recruit new Forex trader into the industry, and then give them a basic foundation uh, to what the whole Forex market is all about. And then if you can see here, I have the beginners to pro crash course outline. Here we have the one where we're going to be talking about the the introduction to the financial markets, what Forex is all about, why should you trade Forex, and stuff like that. Okay, I would like it to be more like a discussion section so that we all can flow. Okay, it's easier for you to flow when it's being discussed rather than for it to be a one-way communication stuff. Okay, so just so that you understand what the whole stuff is all about, I would like you to also drop your own ideas and your own point of view, okay, so that I know how to further shape your thoughts and process towards the Forex market. Okay, so we'll be looking at a brief history of the financial market. Okay, we'll be looking at players in the Forex market. Who are the Forex market? Okay, who trades the Forex market? Who and who involved in the Forex market? Okay, these are things we are actually going to be looking at for in this section. Okay, so we also have Forex terminologies. Okay, mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. Let me. All right. So we have Forex terminologies, and once you need to know, for you to be very, very conversant with what is actually going on in the Forex market, you need to know the terminologies, okay? You need to know the language. Just like you now, you go to China and then you don't know how to speak the Chinese language, okay, you will be lost. Okay, that is the same way it is with the Forex market. If you don't know how to speak the Forex market language, you don't know the terminologies that are used in the Forex market, you will be lost at one point or the other. Okay, so just for you to be safe, okay, just for you to know, even if you are lost, just for you to know how to find your grip again, okay, the terminologies are very important. Okay, and now we also have different type of orders. Okay, there are different type of orders. Now let me give you an example of what an order is. Okay, for instance, now you want to buy, let's see, what can we buy? Let's say you want to buy a clothes. Okay, you want to buy a Louis Vuitton cloth or a Fendi cloth or whatsoever the brand is. Okay, and now the current price at which they are selling the clothes is at $1,500. Okay, you can say, okay, let me buy at this current market price, which is at $1,500. Okay, or you say, okay, let me wait till price gets to $1,000, then I'll buy it. Okay, that process of you waiting, or the process of you entering the market or buying that cloth at that particular point, those are different type of orders. Okay, we have the market order, we have the limit order. Okay, this limit order is expecting that price should come back to a more discounted price. Okay, instead of you buying it at 1,500, you can buy it at 1,000. Okay, it's still the same goods, it's still the same service, but this time around you are placing your own price, the price you want to buy it at a discounted price. Okay, then we have the entry order. I'm just giving a quick breakdown. We're also going to be looking into it in coming time. Okay, so we also have stop orders and the rest. Okay, so we also have stop entry order, which is you looking to buy the market, but this time around is going to be when the market is already on the move. So it's going to be at a more expensive price. Okay, it's more like you are trying to get in the rush. Okay, that's where you use stop entry orders. Okay, so we'll be explaining all these whole things in the price chart shortly. Okay, so we have the stop loss order where you use in protecting yourself from losing money in the market. Okay, if you don't have a stop loss, you are going to lose more than you even think you are willing to risk. Okay, and then you have take profit or order where you expect the market to close you out in profit. Okay, so even if the market is going in your direction, it's one thing for you to know how to enter the market, and then it's another thing for you to know how to exit the market. I've seen so many traders have good trades, but they don't know when to close those trades in profit. And at the end of the day, you see that the trade will reverse and then kick them out in loss. Okay, so these are things you need to understand as a Forex trader in order to navigate the market properly. Okay, so we have trail stop. Okay, trail stop is just like you are following price. If price is going, like, let me say it's going from $1 to $2 to $3, you're just following price and you're putting your stop loss order below those price levels. Okay, expecting that if price is reversing, you will close out and then secure your profit. Okay, so these are things you need to understand in order for you, and these are very important things. Okay, these are things you need to understand for you in order for you to navigate the market properly. Okay, so we have trading platform, we have the MetaTrader 4, we have the MetaTrader 5, we have TradingView, we have C traders, we have so many different platforms. Okay, but for the sake of efficiency, I will be explaining, or I will be sticking to just very few, which is the MetaTrader 4, 5, and then the TradingView. Okay, and then we'll also be looking at the benefit of having a demo account. Okay, so I like for those of us that join using the link I sent across, you will see a platform, Xness brokerage platform, which is also where you are going to be creating your first demo account, which I'll also be showing you how to create your brokerage account and also how to link it to your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as the case may be. Okay, then we have introduction to Forex charting. Okay, so here we look into more technical aspect of trading, where we look at the different type of charts. There are basically different type of charts. We have the line chart, bar chart, candlestick, we have Hagen Ash, we have so many type of type of charts, okay, but due to what is relevant, okay, I won't really be showing you what is not relevant, okay. I will be strictly showing you what you just need to do, okay. If you apply this to this, you put this here, and then you have your result, okay. That is what I'm about to show you in this space of 3 days, okay. So ride with me. 3 days is not enough, trust me. 3 days is not enough. I just pray that God gives us the grace to finish till the end, okay. Then we have type of traders, okay. So at this point, we have to help you discover yourself in the forex market. There are some people that they can hold trade for a longer period of time. There are some people that they don't know how to hold trade for a long period of time. They just want to go in and out. Or there are some people that want to hold trade for a full day, as the case may be, okay. So we'll be helping you out in finding your way in the forex market. Now, this particular aspect will actually require you to practice, okay, before you can fervently find your way in the market, okay. So this aspect will also help you as a beginner forex trader to look at areas where you want to position yourself, okay. So we'll also be explaining them. We have the short-term trading, we have long-term trading, swing, scalping, and the rest, okay. So then day 2, we have sentimental analysis, fundamental analysis, inflation, interest rates, major economic event like the GDP, like CPI, all these things we'll be discussing about them. And then technical analysis, we have market structure / price action. I'll also be showing you the best way to identify a trend, okay? The very best way to identify a trend, okay? We'll also be talking about candlestick patterns and chart patterns. We'll also be looking at reversal and then continuation. Then we'll also be looking at demand and supply. Okay, demand, supply, and then we'll also be differentiating between demand and supply, and then support and resistance. Okay, there are different types of support and resistance. We have horizontal, trend line support, dynamics support. I'll also be explaining all these things to you. Okay, then we also have Fibonacci. Okay, we'll also be looking at indicators. Okay, but for the sake of this, I just use very few indicators. We'll be looking at majorly the moving average. Okay, then we'll also be looking at multiple time frame analysis. Okay, it's very important to analyze the market from a higher time frame. Okay, because on a lower time frame we have so many noise. Okay, there's noise in the market, which I'll be explaining to you. Okay, then we also have my trading strategy, how I look at the market, how I perceive the market, what I have to put in place. Okay, this is where I'll be unveiling. Just only one strategy is enough. Okay, just one of my strategies where I'll be explaining here, and then you just have to back test it and then refine it, okay, to work for you. Okay, then we have trading psychology, risk management, how to calculate your profit loss, how to set your take profit, how to set your stop loss, and then trading discipline, very important. Okay, and then trading journal, and then money management. Okay, so this alone will give you a structure. Okay, it's going to give you a framework to how to perceive the market. All right, so without further said, let's actually look into a quick history on the forex market. Okay, so we have I'm not going to really be reading this word by word. Okay, I'm not going to really read them word by word. I'm also going to send a copy to the group, so you can take your time. Tomorrow you can, like tonight, you can read them up. Tomorrow we just have more like a conversation. Okay, I prefer having conversations with my students rather than being more like a teacher. Okay, it's better you understand from conversations. Okay, so if you have been following me so far, just drop 111 in the chat section. Then we dive into what we have for you guys today. Okay, just drop 111 in the chat section so I know that you are following, and then we'll dive into what we have today. Okay, 111, Tosin, I can see you. Just 111 in the chat section, and then we'll continue. Okay, and then a very quick update, or a very quick information for you to know. This meeting is properly recorded, and it will also be available on platforms. And don't forget, we are also going to be having a Profem giveaway on Sunday, which is going to be the last day. So do well to stay to the end. By the grace of God, we'll be giving out 2 Profems on that day. If more are available, I'll make it available to you guys. But for now, two are already on ground. Okay, I've made the purchase already, all thanks to Dr. Bills. The purchase has been made, the code has been sent to my DM already, so it's already with me. Okay, so on the last day, I just dispatched them to the lucky winners. Okay, so yeah, and then the meeting, this particular section is going to last. We have two sections for today. We'll have the first section, which consists of about 40 minutes, and then the second section, which consists of about 40 minutes. Okay, so in between, you have a 10-minute break, coffee break, tea break, whatsoever break you want to do. Just 10 minutes or less. Okay, 10 minutes or less for a break. You can quickly grab a cup of water, or just stretch your leg and then come back to class. Then we have the second section. Okay, so that it can easily be understood. Okay, so like I said, what is Forex trading? Okay, can someone just quickly tell me what he or she, in your own word? Okay, I don't prefer dictionary meaning to what Forex trading is all about. I don't care. Okay, what the dictionary meaning of Forex trading is all about. Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear about Forex? Okay, I believe most of you have been seeing the lifestyle online. You've been seeing the flashy cars, you've been seeing the Rolls Royce, the Ferrari, the private jets. And then when they ask them, what do you do for a living? Then the guy will be like, I trade Forex. So in your own words, what do you think Forex trading is all about? If you want to say something, you can just raise up your hand, and then I will give you the mic to lay your contribution. Okay, if you have anything to just say, just you can raise up your hands so that you can have the mic. Okay. Anyone, just I would like it to be very quick. Okay, I believe at least it's not all of us here that are beginners. Okay, I believe some people have little idea about what Forex trading is all about. So just in your own words, okay, just tell me what Forex trading is all about. Okay, before we go into the proper definition of what Forex trading is all about. Okay, Forex is the exchange of foreign currency. Okay, Forex is the exchange of foreign currency. Because if you are going to break down what Forex is it simply means foreign exchange. Okay, so you are still right, Tosin. Okay, so Forex is basically foreign exchange. And then what is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange is the exchange of a foreign currency against another. Okay, if you're not exchanging one currency against another, then you're not involving in a foreign exchange. Okay, if you're exchanging naira against naira, it's not a foreign exchange, it's a local exchange. Like the local exchange, funny enough, Nigeria is actually doing a local exchange. When you're exchanging, you have to use money to withdraw money in Nigeria. Okay, it's still an exchange. Okay, so now let's look at it. Welcome to the captivating world of Forex trading. In this chapter, we will explore the fundamentals of Forex and understand why it has become such a popular market to trade. So, what exactly is Forex? Forex, short form for foreign exchange, refers to a global market where currency are bought and sold. It's like a giant bazaar where countries, business, and individual exchange one currency for another. So you can see this. You have to exchange one currency for another. Okay, if you're not exchanging one currency for another, note you are not involving in the Forex market. Okay, so I'll try as much as possible to differentiate between Forex, crypto, indices, commodities, and the rest. Okay, so just be patient. Okay, so imagine you are going on a trip abroad and you need an exchange, and you need to exchange your money for the local currency. Forex is where the exchange takes place on a much larger scale. Every time you travel or purchase goods from another country, you are participating in the Forex market. Okay, so basically, yeah, if you are going to go to, let's use Ghana for example. Okay, let's try and roast Ghana a bit here. So if you are going to Ghana, for example, yeah, you actually need to convert the naira to Ghana cedis. Okay, so now you converting the naira to Ghana cedis simply means that you've involved yourself in what? In a foreign exchange. Okay, let's say for instance, you are going to Ghana with a million naira. In Ghana, they don't spend a million naira. Okay, they don't spend the naira. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to take your money to the counter. Okay, in this case it's actually going to be an over the counter system. Okay, I will be explaining what an over the counter system is. Okay, an over the counter system is a system whereby you take your money to an individual, and most especially this type of system occurs in commercial places like the airports, like the bank and stuff like that. Okay, so you go to the counter and then you give them your currency and then they exchange it based on the current exchange rate or based on the current market price, and then they give you the equivalent of your money in the country's currency. Okay, just as simple as that. Okay, so imagine, like I said, imagine you're going for a local trip. Okay, so basically the forex market is where bank, businesses, government, investors and traders come to exchange and speculate on currencies. The forex market is also referred to as the FX market, in exchange and speculates on currencies. Okay, so I don't want to really I will be sending this my notes to you also, so you can read through them. Okay, so like I said, is a crash course. Okay, so the interesting fact there is that I've actually recorded in full detail all these notes. Okay, so you can take your time and then read through them. Okay, and if you are actually fast, I'm actually sharing the screen so you can also read through on the screen. Okay, so now the important things I will be pointing out here. Okay, there are important things I will be pointing out here. Okay, now the forex market, like we all know, remember, is a foreign exchange market. Okay, you need to exchange one country currency against another. Okay, you need to exchange one country currency against another before you can be say, okay, I am participating in the forex market. Now there is an average volume being traded. Okay, thank you, amazing explanation, thank you. Now there's an average volume being traded. Now what this average volume being traded simply means is that now the people that are involving in the market, both banks, both individual, you and I, okay, hedge funds, governments, agencies, people that are involving in the market, the accumulated daily turnover is up to $3.98 trillion. It's more than this. Okay, it's more than this. All right, but this is on an average. Okay, so the average, how you calculate average, you get the highest and then you get the lowest and then you do your mathematics in between. Okay, so and that's how I was able to get this number. Okay, so this is $3.98 trillion. Don't get so fascinated about the numbers. Okay, it's none of your business, because it's not really none of your business, but for you to actually get this amount out of the market, you need to put in a whole lot of work. Okay, and then individually, I don't think anybody has done this amount of turnover in a day in the forex market. Okay, even if you make $1 million, trust me, the market is willing to pay you. As long as your broker is a regulated broker, they are going to pay you your money. Okay, you can go through history. The forex market dates back to a very, very long period of time. There are traders, very amazing traders, like the likes of George Soros. Okay, he actually shut down the Bank of England. Okay, where he made $1 million. Okay, and then the bank has to declare bankruptcy because they couldn't pay. Okay, so these are traders that were so key in making profit in the forex market, and they understood what they were doing, though they had losses also. You need to understand that in this business, is either you win or you lose. Okay, and there's nothing you can do about it, trust me. Okay, if you are winning, you are winning. If you are losing, you are losing. But where most people mix it up is when they are in a losing trade or they are losing a trade, they want the trade to be a winning trade. Okay, that's the trap where many people lose it. Okay, so I will try as much as possible to strengthen you and then help you see the market for what it truly is. Okay, so How often is the market open? Okay, I know many of you will want to know how often is the Forex market open. Okay, so unlike the crypto market, okay, unlike the crypto market and the indices market, the Forex market is open 24/5. Okay, doesn't mean you can't exchange your money over the weekend, but on the platform that we use, which are the brokerage platform, the market is available for 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Okay, so you need to understand this. If you come to the market on Saturday to trade, the market is not going to be available. But if you have a flight to catch on Saturday and you go to the airport to exchange your money, you will still be able to involve yourself in the foreign exchange market. So that is what I mean when I say 24/5, but it's available 24/7. Okay, so sorry. Yeah. So the most important the most important world trading center being located in London, New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris, and Sydney. Okay, these are important. Thank you. These are important areas. These are important locations where the Forex market are being traded. Okay. Now, for instance, yeah, you have your local bank. Most of us use UBA, most of us use Fidelity Bank, Zenith Bank. I don't know the bank you are trading. Now, all these banks, they have their headquarters situated in a particular place. Okay. And now they still have sub branches. Okay. Do you understand me? They still have sub branches. Doesn't mean that if you open an account in Lagos, you have to come back to Lagos to come and deposit and withdraw. No, you can go to other places. You can withdraw in Port Harcourt. You can withdraw in the POS in China, in Kanu, in Kaduna, as long as you have access to what your account. As long as you have access to your account, okay, you can withdraw at any given time. Okay, that is the same way with the Forex market. As long as you have access to what your trading platform, you have access to internet, you can involve yourself in the Forex market at any time it is available. Now, these locations that are being listed here are the locations where we have high trading volumes. Okay, these are locations where we have high trading volumes due to what? There are different time interval. Okay, now there are times London is active, New York may not be active. There are times Tokyo is active, London may not be active, or Hong Kong may not be active. So depending on the different time zone. So now, like now that we are in Nigeria, we are working with the London time zone. Okay. So damn, we've never gone anywhere and then we have limited time. God help us. All right. So we that we're in Nigeria here, we are working with the London time zone. Okay, so since it's now currently is about 7:30 here, most likely it's going to be about 7:30 in London or 8:30 at least. Okay, so we can actually work together because we are in the same time zone. So any trading volume that is occurring during the London section. Okay, that is where sections actually come in. Okay, so you need to understand this. Okay, then people that are active, like those in Canada, in US, they are active during the New York section. Okay, so you need to understand this. Australia active during the Sydney section, Japan active during the Asian and Sydney section. Okay, so this is it. And then why should we trade the Forex market? Okay, now why do you want to trade the Forex? I know most of us, we need money. Let me not lie, we need money, I swear. So please, Dre Walker, you're writing on my screen. Okay, so why should you trade the Forex market? Okay, liquidity and accessibility. Okay, now the Forex market is the most liquid global market in the world. Okay, with trillions of dollars traded daily. Okay, so now it doesn't, what this simply says is that if you make a profit of $10, you can withdraw your $10. Okay, if you want to buy or if you want to exchange a commodity or a currency worth $1 million is available. Buyers and sellers are actively available in the market. Okay, that is what liquidity and accessibility simply means. Okay, buying and selling is currently ongoing. If you say you want to buy now, you can buy a particular currency pair. Now it depends if the market is going in that direction. That is where you make profit. Okay, so which leads us to the next one, profit potential. Okay, Forex trading offers the potential to profit from the fluctuation in currency price. Okay, so if price is going up and coming down, you have the ability to make profit. Now, one thing you need to know is that the way we Forex trader make money in the markets here is by analyzing and predicting what is most likely going to happen in a particular period of time. This is where knowing yourself as a trader comes in. Are you a day trader? Now you need to analyze and know what is most likely going to happen within a particular day, a day or 2 days. Are you a scalper? You can analyze and trade within a short period of time, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. Are you a swing trader? You can analyze and take your trade within 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, as the case may be. Okay. This is what it simply means. Okay. So Forex trading offers potentials to profit from fluctuation in currency price. When the value of one currency increases relative to another, you can buy the stronger currency and later sell it at a higher price. The ability to speculate on currency movement allows traders to seize opportunity for potential profits. Okay, so when the market is going up, is an opportunity for you to buy. Okay, when the market is going down, it's an opportunity for you to sell. So unlike the crypto space, okay, whereby you may not really be able to make profit from a bearish market, in the Forex market, you can make profit either price is going up or is coming down. Okay, so let's just quickly finish this before our time runs out. Okay, so diversified trading opportunities. The Forex market offers a wide range of currency pair to trade. Okay, so you can trade any currency pair. You can trade of recent, due to the currency regulation and crypto regulation in Nigeria, they had to delist the naira from certain platforms like the Binance platform, Bybit, KuCoin platform. All these platforms are where people exchange naira to dollar, naira to different currencies. Okay, different crypto assets, as the case may be. Okay, so now as long as a currency is being listed on the exchange, you can exchange it for another currency. Okay, now people that are buying goods outside the country, you want to buy dollar, okay, with naira, you have to exchange the naira against the dollar. But in this case here, as you can see here, this is EUR USD, this is Euro USD, okay, this is GBP USD, which is the British pounds USD. So now this first one here is the base, and then this is the quote currency, okay, which I will also be explaining to you guys shortly. Okay, so and now there are other pairs. We have different type of currency pairs. We have the exotic, we have the major, and then we have the minor currency pairs. Okay, major currency pairs are those currency pairs of those countries that are big. Okay, like the British, the British, the US, the Australian, the Japanese, the New Zealand. We have Swiss franc. Okay, these countries, they are big countries, and people are interested in buying and selling their currencies. So they are called the major currencies. Then we have the minor currencies. We have Singapore dollar, which is the SDG. Okay, so we will be talking about those shortly. So now let's look at what leverage and margin trading. Okay, so now there's what we call leverage. Now, leverage simply means I'm giving you an opportunity to make money from the little you have. Okay, now what leverage does is that if I'm telling you that, man, I'm going to give, I just give this one leverage, make it just do what you want to do. What it simply means is that I'm going to give you the opportunity to do what you want to do. Okay, that is the same thing with the Forex market. You can take opportunity of leveraging. Okay, your broker can give you a leverage size of 1:100, 1:200, 1:300. Okay, some brokers give unlimited leverage. Okay, what this simply means is that for every $1 you have, your broker is willing to give you what $100, as the case may be. Okay, or for every, if you are using a leverage of 1:200, for every $1 you have, your broker is willing to give you a leverage of $200. Okay, so that's just what the whole stuff is all about. Okay, so you can use small money to make big potential gains. Okay, and then the same thing when you're on the losing side. Okay, your small money will go for vanishing. Okay, you will not even see any trace that you put in money in the market. Okay, so now here we have market transparency and information accessibility. Okay, so the Forex market takes place in a highly transparent market where price quotes are readily available to all participants. Okay, so if you are in Lagos here, you want to buy the pounds against the dollar, same price you will be getting here is the same price somebody in China will be getting. Okay, it is still the same price somebody in Ghana will be getting. Okay, do you not tell me that I'm seeing the price of GBP USD is $1, $1.27. Okay, here, and then in China, I'm not seeing $1.30. No, what I'm seeing here is what everybody that is involving in the Forex market is seeing at that particular period of time. Okay, so you need to understand that it is highly transparent to the core. Okay, even if you open your MetaTrader platform now, exactly the same price I'm seeing on my trading view is still the same price you will be seeing on your own end. And even if I travel to US now, okay, and then we have a video call, and then you ask me, Alpha, what is the price on the exchange? I will, if I take a screenshot, it's still going to correlate to what you have on your own end. Okay, so let me quickly end this section. Okay, and then we are going to join back so we can quickly finish up with what we have today. Okay, we're just going to go into a bit of history. Okay, then we are going to look into the evolution of money, how money actually came into existence, how from the barter system, how we entered into the major milestones. Okay, major milestones. Okay, how exchanges were being done before we had the online platform. Okay, so do well to join. Just take a couple of minutes, stretching your leg, and then watch out for the WhatsApp community where I will be refreshing the link. Okay, so yeah, you can just go there, drop your questions. Just know that, just involve, let other people know that something is actually happening on the live section. Okay, I will catch up with you guys shortly.